Dear students, good morning to everybody. Honorable guardians, honorable teachers, and those who are watching my today's online class. Welcome everybody to today's online class. Dear students and dear honorable teachers, honorable guardians, and who are watching my online class. First, I would like to introduce myself to you. I am Mohammad Abdul Kader, assistant teacher, Jaipur BL High School, Navaguj, Dinajpur. Dear learners, you know, now we are facing very environmental challenges because of coronavirus. All types of routine services have been slowed down, but education, which is the power of a nation, cannot be stopped. So, government has taken a step to continue classes through online services, and these services has been possible with the help of technology. So, I would like to thank the authority who has who has contributed a lot for operating our online class. Dear learners, today I am going to discuss a very important topic for the students, especially for the students of class 10 who are going to sit for the SS examination this year. Dear students, this topic is tag question. Tag question. We know there are three types of question, and they are WS question, yes no question, tag question. Dear learners, there are three types of question: WS question, yes no question, and tag question. First, I would like to give you some information about WS question. What is WS question? Question means asking something. Question means want to know something from others. So, all this question ends with a note of interrogation sign, of course, but there is difference also in the case of identifying or answering WS question, yes no question, and tag question. First, I would like to give you some information about WS question. WS question is the question which begins with WS word, and in this case the listener have to answer according to the question of the speaker. Here the listener cannot answer by saying yes or no, such as, what is your name? This is a WS question. Dear learners, you can easily understand that this is a WS question because this type of question begins with WS word. Here the WS word is what. As the question begins with what and asks something, so this is a WS question. In this case, you can't answer by saying yes or no. You will have to represent something, just answering what? What is your name? You may tell, my name is Rohim, my name is Korim, but you can't say yes or no. If you want to give appropriate answer, you will have to request something which is asked by the speaker. You can't say yes or no. This is WH question. But in the case of yes no question, it begins with, we can see that, we can find that there is a auxiliary verb at the beginning of the sentence. Do, here do is auxiliary verb and no is here principal verb. This type of question begins with auxiliary or helping verb and ends with note of interrogation sign. And in this case, you can reply, you can give answer by saying yes or no. If I ask you, do you know it? Of course, you may say, yes sir, no sir, whatever it may be, yes or no. But you can answer by saying yes or no. This is yes no question. And what is very very important for today's topic is tag question. Now I am going to give you some information about tag question. Tag question is a question asked by the speaker at the end of a statement through which the speaker wants to have an answer in support of him. The question is the question asked by the speaker after a negative or positive statement during conversation through which the speaker wants to have an answer in support of him. Man is mortal. It is a statement. A statement may be affirmative or negative. Here, it is a affirmative sentence. The tag question is here, isn't he? Here, we can say that it is a tag and also it is a question. So, tag question is a question asked by the speaker during conversation and who is placed at the end of the sentence through which the speaker wants to have an answer in support of him. So, man is mortal. The tag question of the statement is, isn't he? Here, isn't he? How can we make it a tag question? The process of making tag question is that first we have to find the helping verb or auxiliary verb. How can we find? The process of making tag question, the first we have to find out auxiliary verb operator or helping verb from the statement. Here the verb is, which can be used as an auxiliary verb. So, I have to write the helping verb after comma. Then, the second job is to identify whether the statement is affirmative or negative. If the sentence is affirmative, we have to make it negative. The tag must be negative. Here the sentence man is mortal is affirmative, so the tag must be negative, and I have done it here not. But in the case of making it negative, the auxiliary verb and not, when written closely, then the not form must be in short form. Not must be in short form. Here O is omit and we put it here comma then T. Is not is a long form with not. Isn't is a short form of is not. So, in the case of making tag question, if the statement is affirmative, tag question must be negative, but negative form must be in short form. The third job is to write the subject of the statement as the subject of tag question. Here the subject is man, and I wrote here he, the pronoun form of the statement, subject of statement. So, dear learners, tag question is very easy activities to earn 5 marks. You know, there are 5 sentences in your exam for tag question, and you can easily carry 5 marks. So, I want to show you in short how can we make our tag question. The process of making tag question, now I am going to show you how can we make our tag question. The statement must be written. After the statement, we have to put a comma. And dash a note of interrogation sign. Here the tag question must be formed. And how can we form tag question? How can we make our tag question? First, I need or we need a helping verb. Then the second one, if the statement is affirmative, we have to make it negative. But negative form must be in short form. If the statement is negative, then the tag question will be affirmative. So, not is not necessary here. The third job is to write the subject of the statement, but it must be pronoun. These 3 tasks are necessary to make a statement, to make tag question of a statement. I would like to show you again by giving or writing a statement. You should do it. Just by understanding this, you have to try your best to make a tag question. Dear students, first try to find out what is the auxiliary or helping verb. You have to find out the auxiliary verb or helping verb from the statement. Dear learners, of course you have understood here should is a helping verb. So, our first job was to find out a helping verb, and I have already showed you here should is a helping verb. So, I have written should. The second job is to identify the sentence or statement whether it is affirmative or negative. Here the statement is affirmative. So, we have to make it negative, but negative form must be in short form. Here I have written the short form with shouldn't, should plus not, short form of not, shouldn't. I have written. The first and second job has been finished. Now the third one is I have to write the subject of the statement. Here the subject is you and it is a pronoun itself. So I have written the subject you. Dear learners, I hope all of you have understood how can we make tag question. Here I would like to give you more information about helping verb and subject of tag question. Helping verb with not, long form, helping verb with not, short form. Do not, don't, does not, doesn't, did not, didn't, will not, won't, shall not, shan't, etc. Dear learners, this is very easy for you because in the case of making short form, there is a simple matter here. Just look at do plus not. I have written do, and in the case of writing not, I have omitted O and put comma, then I have written T. So in this way we can make short form from the long form of auxiliary verb plus not, but there is some differences, some dissimilarities. In the case of, this is a special helping verb. Here will not, the short form of will not is won't, the short form of shall not is shan't, but all the auxiliary verbs with not must be made contraction in this way: auxiliary verb plus n plus apostrophe plus t. In this way you can make the short form with not from the long form, auxiliary verb with long form, not long form, auxiliary verb plus not. From this you can make the short form auxiliary verb plus not. Now I shall give you some information about subject of a statement and subject of a tag question. If the subject of the statement is noun, if the subject of the statement is noun, the subject of tag question must be pronoun. If it is pronoun, So in this way, tag question, the subject of tag question must be pronoun. In short, what I can say is that the subject of tag question must be pronoun. So dear learners, I hope all of you have understood what is tag question, what is yes no question, what is WH question, and the characteristic of these three types of sentences, questions, and the process how we can make tag question. So you have to do some exercise regularly. Dear learners, I hope all of you must connect with us, and of course ask your friend to connect with our online class. That's all. Keep practicing, stay at home, and remain safe. Thank you very much. Thank you. আইসো তুমি সুমন বন্ধ করে দাও তো এটা শেষ করে দিচ্ছি। হ্যাঁ ভাই ভালো লাগছে না,